Hey guys, welcome to my crib. I've always wanted to do that. This is my kitchen. This is where we cook every night. That's my husband. It's okay, we have friends. It's okay. There's a camera, you say hi. Hi. We hit our head this week. And we have a little runny nose. Let's get a little tissue. You have a big poopy diaper. Let's go change you. So at like 5 o'clock, my life changes from wedding planner to mom. Right? This is Chickie's room. It's my favorite room in the house. It's her bedroom, and we made it a really special place for her. What are we having tonight? Champagne. Of course we're gonna open it. We have guests. So this is what I do the day before a wedding. I drink, I have a bath, and I just try to relax. And I dress up so I make myself feel good. Otherwise you get so stressed out about it all. And then Paul cooks for me. Cheers. Cheers to us. So this is where the tables are gonna be. And like I'm literally sitting and this is the chandelier. Okay, so I was saying to them, like, imagine sitting here as a guest and like this is the centerpiece. Yeah. Like this was the focal point. Oh my God, I'm gonna break it.
All right. He's like, they're kind of low, and I'm like,
that's the whole point.
That's the whole point.
I want it to feel like Baccarat is in my face. Yeah. Like Baccarat crystals in my face. That's all I want. Hey guys, it's Lauren Greg. Welcome to another Behind the Design. I am going to dive in to one of our most recent weddings that went viral, which was at St. Patrick's Cathedral with Josie and Chris. Look how pretty that is with crushed velvet. That's gonna go all around the room, in the hallways, everything. Do you have the couch for this piece? Let's put that in. Can we? Yeah, let's finish this up, Joey, and let's put this couch in. So that, because the florist needs to start putting her things around them. Yes, hi. Oh, you're right on time. Joey, how long for this chandelier we think? 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes, okay. So in 10 minutes, I'll see you back here. Perfect. Let's tell the florist, you have, in 10 minutes, they're gonna put the couch in and then you guys can get started on the couch. Okay. This needs to come, this flap, but there's like a piece of tape from the top. I'm not sure whose responsibility that is. And let's just pull that guy down and cut the tape over there because everyone's gonna be sitting here, they're gonna see it. Yeah. Okay. It is warm. Nice. Yeah. Nice. This is like a summer wedding. Yeah. Our client loved the outdoor space, but didn't love the indoor space. It felt very corporate. So what we did was we created this draping, dramatic effect inside. Oh, are we thinking florals on the couch? Okay. Obviously, right? Everything is on. They're gonna just be surrounded in flowers. It's like cascading and living in flowers, like a floral bed. The exit sign is gonna show. That has to be Photoshopped. Yeah. There's nothing I could do. It's safety first. Like why? Like it's design over safety. Over everything, but whatever. I have to go shopping in like 2 minutes because there is an outfit for me at Saks Fifth Avenue that's perfect for this event. And it's calling my name and I see it in my head and I just need to go pick it up. And it's across the street. New York is crazy. And we have to get 75 people, but plus all their vendors, in St. Patrick's Cathedral in the middle of a Saturday in the springtime. It's like the middle of tourist season. So that's something that we're just an obstacle is tourists, traffic, Fifth Avenue closures, all of it. this really quick? This has to be right. Honestly, like this has to be right. Just peeking. I don't know who brought all these here. We don't need all of this, do we? No. It's like we don't need all these chairs. Also, just a little sloppy. We have 15 minutes and we're in bumper to bumper traffic on 5th Avenue.
We budgeted an extra 30 minutes for this and we're barely gonna make it.
It's like the priest just starts walking and he says to me, he goes, God doesn't wait. This is exactly why in New York City weddings, when we add 30, 40, an hour into your timeline, this is what we mean. It's closures, it's traffic. Like for example, 51st Street is closed right now. So all traffic is being directed on 5th Avenue, where of course our bride and groom need to be. Are you nervous? Yeah, you look nervous.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
It's a little bit. Our bride isn't here yet. I'm a little nervous.
It's one of those situations at St. Patrick's Cathedral where you have a specific time that you have to get to the church, and then the music just starts playing. So we had a 4 o'clock ceremony, and if we weren't making it on time and if we didn't get there on time, the priest just starts walking. And that's it. Like the music starts, there's no cue, he doesn't sit there and wait for us. She was already late, she was stuck in traffic, typical New York wedding. And I started to freak out because I knew that we had 15 minutes until the priest just started walking down the aisle. And I called my team and I said, guys, you just need to send the bride at this point, like whatever it takes, we need to get her to St. Patrick's.
It's 3:35, traffic is only getting worse. Send the bride. You look excited.
You look stunning.
You look stunning. How are you? You nervous? A little bit. Okay. Do you need a champagne? She's already feeling very faint. Nervous. Very, very nervous. I'll tell her that the bride is feeling very faint and that needs to be up there. Are all the guests inside? Find Melvin, the security guard, and let him know I need 3 minutes. I need 3 minutes.
And we told the priest, I was like, I need 3 more minutes, 3 seconds, because she was ready to pass out. We had to get her water. I've never even had this experience before, where a bride was ready to pass out before she got to the altar. It was just so overwhelming with the crowds, with the people.
I have water for you at the altar. Okay? Honestly, the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. So, yeah. I'm so happy for you. So, just everything. Of course. Yeah, let's open the door.
And it was such an incredible experience, and it was honestly so surreal when we were walking up to St. Patrick's and all of a sudden all of these people started swarming our bride and me, and it was honestly really overwhelming. We got super claustrophobic. There was so many people just like staring at her. She looked so famous.
Let's hold the dress out, perfect. Let's walk up. You got it, my love. Just go up. It's okay. You look famous, so everyone wants to stare at you. This way, please. Thank you. Thank you. Brian, how are we on time? The priest is ready for us. Let's go in, Sonata. Perfect. Stop right here.
No.
This is what it feels like. It feels like you're in a movie. Everyone's staring at you. Lay out the dress, lay out the perfect. Hey guys, I need you out of that shot. Thank you, thank you.
Thank goodness we got her down the aisle, and then our team had to rush back to 620 Loft Garden so that we can finish the production.
Is AC on yet or no?
It's on.
Pump the AC because it's definitely warm in here now.
Yeah.
Ceremony is off. We have an hour. Oh, it's starting to look gorgeous in here. Jackie, we're gonna move the escort card table. Is your team able to do it? Make sure that the chairs next to the bride and groom are the most perfect. This has to be right.
Yeah.
Honestly, like this has to be perfect.
Well, put it to the side.
Exactly.
Just put it to the side. Yeah.
That's better. Okay, perfect. But the other side needs to come in.
Yeah. That looks good.
That looks good. It's raining. It's raining. Oh my God, it's officially raining. It is raining, and we just had to move all of our furniture that we just set over the course of 4 hours out of here. And my bride and groom are coming. It is a little chilly. It got chilly. It was beautiful this morning. Yes, let's move these two stations in. We're moving these tables in. Guys, we're gonna bring one set of furniture outside. We're gonna replace it with some high boys.
Close my eyes and feel it. Close my eyes. Close my eyes.
Married. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's still in construction.
But you're happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Oh my God! Yes!
Out. They don't have a kitchen on site. They don't have a table, a chair, like nothing, not even a bar. Like we had to bring every single component in for this wedding. And when I call it a full build out, it means that we bring in our kitchen, we bring in our tents, we bring in our tables, our chairs.
There is no kitchen at 620, so everything that you see, our teams had to create and bring here. It's not the best, but this is where magic happens. What is this?
Chicken arancini.
It's really good. It's the perfect temperature, the right amount of crispy, and the right amount of soft inside. It's nice. This is insanity. Poached jumbo shrimp. I feel like this could use a little more horseradish, but other than that, it's pretty good. Very, very fresh. Oh my God. None of this goes to the bride or groom. None of this goes to the mother of the bride. Make sure that's clear to our team.
We need to make sure that time doesn't escape us.